Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about ubaba Ngizwe Mchunu. uNgizwe Mchunu is doing God's work, guys. He is fighting for amalungelo wabantu abamnyama, guys. So let me just put the video, then I'll come back.
Cha asizokuzwa ngani sizongena yebo ukudabula ngempama wena uzokudabula ngempama siyongena siyangena suka hawu ngelani hawu na imhlola hawu sidakola amakula la ila oh umngena ngapha ama-ofisela amakhulu oh asambeni silo la sisilo lamalungelo ethu nabo ngeke bazosenze lutho I'm here to talk to the managers and the owners of the company. Our people have been abused here in terms of the work ethic. There is unfair practice in the work ethic. So I'm here to deal with that. All of them, they're working here. Yes, yeah. Enough is enough for abuse. I can't allow our own people to be treated like bullshit. Doesn't matter when they call you or you kill us or whatsoever. We don't care. We are fighting for our rights. Yeah. I'm sure she posts like share. Chinese in challenge she posts. I'm tired of trouble. Sa yetagwini nina metro Japan metro nina ashanga ngamasende laphana sangifikile laphana wena ngizobe ngilapha eThekwini sikhathele ngamasimba kahulumeni gijimela ubani ngaloba ikhansula imtsintsila laphana kopha in town niyayikhokobisa ngikhona ke jakiwe nini oh the majority these are women buka 16,000 African activism bukani ulumani akanendaba kwenza hamba yenza ama-talk show no tie ontuli imgodo into ngemsebenzi walutho anginomsebenzi walutho fanele ngizazi. You don't know the real problems. You are busy protecting.
So bazala bamzitho, that is Ngizwe Mchunu fighting for rights of workers, guys. At this point, I think a lot of unions, guys, especially lama unionists who join themselves, they're so useless. Let's just be honest. They're just so useless. I feel like abalwe lamalungelo abasebenzi, because if you could check, a lot of workplace abasebenzi complain about they have union where they pay every month, and guys, you may say 100 and something in Ghana, but 100 and something maybe by 300 workers every month, but masukumele balwela amalungelo abasebenzi, they fail to do that. Instead uzoqosha lokunaleyo union yakho, I'm telling you for free, and uzoqosha, and when you don't join the union still uzobe enkingeni engathi i-union ekenzela inkinga ke lapho. Bazothi mabasebathi balwela abasebenzi, they acting as if balwela abasebenzi, they won't include you. But at this point, I feel like what Ngizwe Mchunu is doing is the best way to fight corruption, is the best way to fight indlela abantu abasebenza abaqileza ngakhona emisebenzini, guys. Because this thing ukuthi abantu baqileza emisebenzini, it causes depression to a lot of people abasebenza. So big up to Ngizwe Mchunu. As much as we talk mawenza okubi, I feel like we should also talk mawenza okuhle. That is all for now, bazala bamzitho. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. You need ukuya nokubuya.